Hi there, this is Jen Raza from Altenew, and I'm so excited to be part of today's video hop with the Stamping Village. Now more than ever, it has become so important to appreciate all those brave men and women who are working on the front lines to keep society functioning and to keep us safe. We wanted to play a role in appreciating these heroes, and therefore we created the Thinking of You stamp set in collaboration with 11 other stamp companies for the Stamping Village. In addition, we'll be donating $5 for every one of these stamp sets sold to the Save the Children Foundation in an effort to support the cause. Altenew has designed this beautiful sentiment that says, "We appreciate you," which would look just perfect with any of the other stamps from this set or anything else you may have in your collection. To start my card, I'm actually going to be grabbing our beautiful Craft a Flower Lily, which is one of the new subscription services that we have now. This is a wonderful die set that you can use with our gradient cardstock sets, and I grabbed both Green Meadows and Cherry Blossom. Now I'm going to speed up some of my die cutting here, but I'm going to be creating 2 of the main flowers and 3 leaves that are going to go with my little arrangement. Once all of the elements are die cut, I'm just using some liquid glue to adhere each of the layers together. Now, a little trick that I've discovered to help keep all the layers flat as I'm working on them is just to plop an acrylic block on top while I'm working on a different section. That applies a good amount of pressure so that nothing will curl up as the glue is getting adhered, and then I can just go back and forth from flower to flower, alternating which one is underneath of the acrylic block. To add some interest to my card base, I'm just taking some jet black ink spray and splattering it along the background. I'm trying to keep all the splatters close to the bottom so I can leave some empty space towards the top for my sentiment. Now the sentiment is going to get stamped in an Obsidian black ink, which is my favorite ink from Altenew. It really has a nice, dark, crisp result every single time. To assemble the card, I'm using a combination of flat tape runner along with some foam tape just to add a little bit more depth and interest to the arrangement. Once everything is adhered down, I press it firmly, and then I'm adding a little bit of an accent just towards the top of the sentiment, the side, as well as near the bottom of the flowers. And that is just this cute little heart stamp from the Avriel design. And that completes the card. I want to thank you so much for hopping along with us and for watching this video. Please make sure to visit everybody along the hop, and I hope you have a fantastic crafty day. Bye.